803, young.
Real grave digger, drink blood, eat brains, nigga. Wake up early morning, tryna big a nigga bitch, this shit ain't changed, nigga. Spin back, tryna double up, boss ain't never on shit. If I hell one wish, I'm catching the puppin', fuck my straight AG2, I'm on the dash, I'm all on the E-way, funkin' the motor up. 340, I'm throwing the four up. Niggas act like they know me, don't know us. Chucky did this and that nigga, so what? Like a light-skinned bitch with a fat ass butt, baby, come to my crib, let me show you something. Got a switch on the Glock.
Zoa, it's him. It's him. Yeah. Here we go, man. Let's get him. I ain't searching for.
Yo, it's your boy Glocks and Tank Tops, man. Appreciate you clicking the video, man. Hit that like, subscribe, man. I know you ain't even see the video, but I don't give a fuck, man. Hit that like, subscribe, man. We got that MP5 out. I know I said I wasn't gonna bring it out. I know I said that. I straight cap. All y'all owe me a neck. If you don't know what a neck is, you can't get it. But yeah, I straight cap. I had to bring that bitch out. I was fiending, and it's a good thing I brought that bitch out, cause y'all gonna see in the footage. Y'all gonna see we got MP FRT testing, my shit, bro shit. You feel me? Got FRT testing, even though my shit we still trying to get bro shit. You feel me? Running smooth. Y'all watch the full thing, man. If y'all can, man. Y'all watch that full video. Appreciate y'all clicking the video. Let me try it, bro.
No?
Let me try it, bro.
Huh? No?
Hold it.
But they ain't doing it. I'm telling you now.
Yeah, no.
They ain't gonna do it?
Yes or no?
Where are you?
I'm safe right now. Okay. So that's a yes or no. Do it? Yeah.
You heard that, right? I think you be mutting it.
Nah, just rack it and pull it.
What? Why your shit don't?
It's tough. You can do it, but it's tough.
Yo!
So how you did it?
Yo!
So how you did it?
Yo! You suck, bro.
Nah,
You suck.
Nah, just tell me how you
Light
did it.
trigger pull. That's all you
I
gonna give me.
did that.
Nah, you ain't do that. That was nothing.
So
That was beautiful. Light.
How light can you get? Like,
Are you letting go? It's like you're letting go. You heard that, right? You're that double. You're that drink.
I see what I'm doing. I gotta pull it back. Then when I let it go a little bit.
I didn't have to do that. Once I'm just holding it. And you see, I was doing spurts, now I just let it go.
Is that Mr. Undefeated? Yeah. Yeah. Now, let me see if this was sighted in. Come on, we had a couple shots with this one.
Me?
I need a spotter.
What you shooting at?
You see that bottle?
Just shoot at that
No.
shoot at the whatchamacallit.
No, fuck that. I want something that'll move. You see that little bottle right there next to that white
Bro,
thing?
you can see your hits. All right. Bottle, the white bottle? The big one?
Yeah, but that white, you see the little plastic bottle next to it?
On the left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to hit.
All right.
Wait.
Nah, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that.
Round the money. Round the money.
You know what I'm saying?
Hit that. Hit that. Send me. Hit the paper talk. Yeah, the head. Let me get one.
Target.
What the hell? I don't see nothing.
Hit the neck area.
I don't see nothing. I just put two with a head there. I don't see nothing.
That left little circle.
Let me see your phone. All right, there's no hits on the left circle. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, they're around it. Where you aiming? Where you aiming? You just hit neck. You just hit neck. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Yeah, left shoulder if you're looking at it. Left shoulder. Yeah, real low. But you hit that bottle though. That's the crazy. God damn, they ain't here no more.
You know what I'm saying?
That shit off in the forest somewhere.
Tight.
What if I put your upper on my low? Nah, let me stop.
No Diddy. Pause.
Bro, come on, bro. You don't even know about guns, bro.
Pause. Pause.
My upper on your lower?
Pause.
Make it make sense, bro.
Pause, man. Fucking pause, bro.
How many you got in there? I don't like how it clicked though.
I click like that. I click like that.
Yeah,
Put it in the right way.
If I need to clear the chamber on these,
Put it in the right way.
if I need
Put
to
it
clear
in the right way.
chamber real quick,
Was that shit running smooth or not?
I want to make sure
Low key, yeah.
I ain't really hear it. So what you just
the self-defense.
overdoing it? That's my lower.
From what I've heard from some of the RSOs,
Let me try it.
cars draw from the hard.
Don't hate, appreciate. You need to leave. Dead trigger. Oh, there you go. There you go.
So what's your upper?
I don't know what it is. It was dead trigger, and then it started going.
Gotta be your upper.
That don't make sense though. So you think I need to shade the trick? You want to keep running? That'd be nice.
I like to run it with my trigger though.
Bro, feel that. Same thing.
No, it ain't.
Same thing, bro. Come on now.
It's your trigger better.
I said that. I just said that.
Yeah, you ain't got no more 9?
Everything loaded.
Are you ready? No, I'm saving it for Henry.
Everything loaded. Everything loaded. Whoa. Oh, wait.
God, please, no! 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 No!
Jam. Fade eject.
Not the live on. Oh,
Hold on, bro.
no way.
Short up.
No way, not the live on. $1,000.
Shut up. You hating over that.
$1,000.
Shut up, bro. That's crazy though.
It's order.
Yeah, it's all up. I don't know what the fuck that was. Fuck, I keep doing that. I'm finna try to dump it, see what happens.
I was gonna say, let me get some shots with it. Let me see.
You see how high it's hitting, bro?
Other one. That's not good. I want to blame the mask. I want to blame the mask, bro. They say the mask bad. Is that a case in there now? Damn, it is. What the fuck? Hold on, hold it.
Oh, all right, hold on. I know I ain't chilling. That shit been right there for a minute.
Oh, you just poked me, bro. I got some.
Got it out?
Just poked the shit out of me, bro, for no reason. Yeah, I got it out. Hold on, let me see if that was it right quick. I'm done like 5.
Not that.
No, let me shoot it. I understand you're upset. Highly upset. But at the same time, it's not braced. But still.
Nah, that shit should be happening. Especially brand new. Oiled up.
Nigga shoot that bitch like, oh, dog.
Did it run out?
Nah, it ran over.
That might be what it is. Like me holding it like, I don't know. Need some more with that.
Yo.
Ain't nothing there.
No, move up to the line.
All right, so check it out, Brody. Have issues. That bitch going.
My boy.
What's good, family? We put my upper on his lower.
And that shit running. Butter.
It's the new one. I got. What the fuck? What the fuck my lower at? Oh yeah, I got on his shit. You did that? He ain't even need no H2. No nothing.
So low on the table, bro. You ain't even right here.
No.
The best.
Go ahead.
The best
Oh,
on
you
the
ain't
shooting
shoot it
range.
yet?
I'm sorry, what?
The best on the shooting range.
The best?
Yeah, the best.
Appreciate that boy showing love. You feel me? He ain't have to say nothing, but he showed love. Appreciate everybody else who be showing love at Henry's. Appreciate everybody who be showing love on the videos, man. Man, I'm telling you, we was at Henry. The first time I went to Henry's, I just got my pistol, regular, nothing, and I got my regular old Diamondback with the little holler shit on that bit. You feel me? Like regular. You feel me? Like niggas had to evolve. You feel me? And I appreciate Henry seeing a nigga evolve. You feel me? Fucking with your boy. I appreciate everybody else who be seeing this shit. Fucking with you. And bruh. That man said we had the best he done seen. He been there 15, 20 times. He said we had the best. Boy, I done seen the best, boy. Niggas got Scar 17 S's. Niggas got, boy, that 300 black bill. Oh, my God. Niggas got 50 BLG. Niggas got everything. But, yeah, appreciate that boy showing love, man. Y'all keep showing love. Y'all know how this shit go. We all family, man. You got your strapola? All right, we family. Let me see that bitch.
I come here maybe 15, 20 times. The best if you can.
Appreciate you.
It's fucking ridiculous.
That's the 24 pound. So you got 24 pound in there, 22 pound in the other one. You got 24 pound in here, 22 pound in the other one. I just ordered both of them shit.
So what's up with my shit?
Hey, where you was in?
He got the Dremel. Cause look at the take that off. And I got the metal one too. But that shit.
that bitch.
So the bar looks straight. Cause I dremeled it.
Which one? This right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly how it's supposed to be.
See that what I'm saying, bro? I don't know what else to do. Except let you try it.
It won't do nothing.
When his slide going there, it works.
It works.
But when we put his FRT on my slide, it don't work. But I feel like you should try it, to be honest.
Let me try.
He got my recoil spring. He got my 22 pound in there.
You got 22 for this?
Huh?
You got 22 for this?
Yeah. He using it.
Oh, he got it in his gun.
Nah, but I'm saying his shit still don't work with it.
Let me see. Put that bit together, bro. Let me see something right
quick. Throw your clip in there. That's my shit.
This bit going too.
That one got a kid on it too?
Man, you see them triggers, man.
I flat face my shit though.
I see you did something to it. This nigga.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what
They got 22 in?
That's the OEM. Remember I told you with the 22, that shit wasn't running.
I think you should try with the 22. I got 22.
Nah, with the 22, it's gonna run.
No, that's it. Like I said, that 22 pound I bought off eBay. That might be the problem.
Oh, yeah, it is the problem. Let me show you right now.
Even with the trigger, that boy, I'm talking, I had to do so much work with that motherfucking trigger. Fucking with that glue shit you told me to do, man. That nigga had my shit. I said, damn.
Ain't no way, bitch.
Nah, that bitch already sighted, man. I mean, snapping all type of shit. Huh? I be at home doing dirty work, boy.
All type of shit. All right, I put my 22 in there. Let's see if it.
In here?
I put my 22 in here. It's yours, right?
Yeah.
You gotta get that. What the fuck, the folks? NDZ, man. NDZ Performance. That's like. Come on, man.
I got go-to gear. That's who I got. That shit. Need that gold, bitch. Whatever.
Hard, ain't it?
Jesus Christ.
That bitch go hard.
That bitch sexy.
I like this one, bro.
Ain't MP, but
Ain't nobody fucking with this shit right here. This shit undefeated, man.
That bitch Quaker. Bro, I ain't bring no sticks, bro.
This shit undefeated, my nigga. I don't
Every
care
stick at the
about no 4.5 inch 5. Cool.
Nothing.
This shit undefeated.
for the record spring. Upgrade the spring. Say that. Matter of fact, because I got a 22 pound and a 24 pound coming. So which one you think would be better? I got 24 in that dude. I don't think it would be that dude. I'm like, bro, what the fuck I got a 22 in there though, but that dude is
This nigga holding my record spring hockey. Yeah, yeah.
I ain't bring out no sticks, bro.
Okay. Shotgun. These won't feel like anything. If you shoot this and then shoot this, you're gonna feel the recoil. This one's pretty hard.
Yeah, that cookie cutter, that bitch.
These won't feel
Jamming. Nigga shit jamming out here.
Lemon! Lemon! Lemon!
I don't know what it is. That bitch, yeah, but you're dead. Oh, you dead? Yeah. Come pick him up. Come pick him up. Dead, boy.
Oh no.
That's that baby too.
Might be the six. That's a new one, Rick? That's a new
Not
one?
new one right there. That's the first one I shot. That bitch low too.
Might be that 60. This the one you had before?
That's the way I see like this.
That's what it is.
That motherfucker wants to come in there.
That big bitch don't fuck off.
I don't think you still shaving on it, bro. I don't think you need to shave it no more.
You don't think so? Look at it. You know, it's not flush like y'all.
Nah, his shit don't even go in there and click. Like,
It's not flush like y'all shit.
that boy shit don't even click, bro.
What? Hold on. It don't click. Alright, where's the pin at?
I'll be back.
This was snap in?
Oh my god.
Hmm?
This was snap in?
I'll be back.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This was snapped in.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the one that ain't, you feel me?
Prison.
Damn, bitch. I forgot about that. I forgot about that. That bitch got that 007 slide back. That old slide back. That old.
Just dead, right? Just dead trigger.
You took my shit again?
Huh?
You got my upper?
No, it's right here. That shit ain't working at all.
Got a dead trigger now.
See, I told you, with my shit, I gotta work the right side in first, then it'll click. Appreciate you.
I had that bitch drop in a couple times. When it's all the way on now don't work. All the way on.
So you got a dead trigger?
Yeah. And now when it's halfway, it even snapped all the way in. Trigger go off.
Como el agarre del dedo.
Bruh. So what it is? Bruh. So his shit, he just gotta fuck with it till you get the trigger pull.
Not even. That bit works.
Nah, it's the metal one, the other one though.
That other one, yeah. I feel
This shit out of there?
one of them gold bitches. Cause they the same platform as these.
Alright,
They
bet.
made the same exact way you feel come from. That boy spent money, so I'm gonna make sure I
Huh?
take care of it.
Yeah. Well, I've been trying to get this bitch to work forever. Alright, bet.
Man, fuck you. You ain't asked for this. No, hey. I feel like I need that trigger.
You feel like that trigger better than the other one?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, when I pull this shit, I'm like, oh, this way better.
That's my man right here. That's the same one you got.
Nah, but for some reason, my shit, like your shit, when they go back, you ain't really gotta find no spot. Your shit just go. That's what I'm saying. My shit, you gotta find a spot.
That bitch that ain't no 4 reset.
You ain't gotta find a spot for it.
That's what I'm saying. So I feel like I just gotta shoot my shit some more.
That too. Right there.
Alright.
So the FRT go. That nigga gun work too.
Nah, boy, I ain't gonna lie. We'll get so many dead triggers.
Everybody got MP.
Huh?
Mine is SD. No, that's bro.
That's Glock.
Peanut butter.
This will drop. What's your MP?
My shit right here.
Shit janked out.
Oh,
Come on, man. Oh, ain't no way, bro.
Yeah, you good.
Maybe I'm putting it to it. I don't know.
Nah, right now that bitch finna blow right there.
it's a website that I went to. Law enforcement.
It's a clone. It's a clone, Henry. It's not an HK.
Nigga, my Glock, nigga, 17 Gen 5. This shit was $399, man. $399, man.
Oh my goodness.
It look good here, y'all.
Bro, I gotta put more rounds to it, bro. Break in period. Come on, MP. Come on, MP. Damn. Oh. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with this bitch.
Oh, you talking, bro? Yeah, that's basically the same one I got, but a newer version. You can tell because you got that. I think that's the Apex trigger in there.
No, that's the regular
That's
trick.
the regular trigger you got on his shit. Same shit. Mine got a regular. This bitch, that's the same one as yours.
I know. For some reason, your shit, you ain't gotta. I'm gonna blame it on the 22 pound. I'm gonna wait till my shit.
22 pounds, bro.
I'm gonna definitely. Matter of fact, I'm throwing the 24.
Oh.
This bitch gonna pull up too?
We EDC these. So our everyday carries. Nah, we don't put that shit on them.
Shit, I carry that bed every day.
You be telling them shit.
Nah,
Might as well.
yeah. But I'm gonna get on your ass with that 19.
You hear it happen.
Yeah, that bit dead trigger.
But it's like when you keep doing it, you hear it happening. You think it's moving?
I think this moving in here. Cause now it's snapped in. If I just put it in like this, that'd be work every time.
So it's on his shit to snap in.
Yeah, that'd be that crazy. You trying to snap it in. Yeah, run it now. That bit gonna clear that out.
Damn. That bitch stuck.
Goddamn, twin.
Crazy, man.
Just throw it in the bag.
That bit snap back in. That bit shook.
So is it move when it's in there?
Once that bit starts, that bit click back in there.
Click it in there. Maybe some shit.
Maybe shaving some up.
Something been shaved.
Maybe shaving some up.
I think that other fuck with that other one. I don't know what the fuck happened, bro. Like, when it's in there, that bitch don't want to do nothing. Bad trigger. It's snapped in like it's supposed to be. But when that bitch ain't snapped in, that motherfucker, it ain't snapped in right now.
My shit got snapped in.
Oh, it did snap back in. When I'm closing it, it's snapping in.
Yeah, cause you gotta
That
remember
been working right.
Listen, when you slide that forward, the back automatically push it up. I did that shit at the crib.
Dead trigger.
It just happened. Fuck. Man, I don't even know how you fixed that, bro. Glad. Let me get a glass. You green. You green, bro. I ain't even get no. Come on, out there. Go ahead. Whoa, hold on. Damn, I was just playing, bro. Bro. What was that?
I don't know. I gotta see what my
Wait,
shit
they not.
It's time to clean everything. That's what.
They not
Yeah.
cocked back, ain't it? They got the bitch back. Look, Jay.
How was your experience with the Janks?
10 out of 10. Janky Jr., Janky Senior. And my shit go brrr.
Who the senior?
He senior.
Fuck no. Hey, you fired, bro. I'm Big Jank, and that's Jank Jr. He's literally a junior.
But that's big. That's
I'm Big Jank.
Actually, I'm a third. If you want to be smart, buddy. Thank you, sir. You be quiet. You have a good day.
You not even Janks no more. I'm Big Jank, and it's just me.
Already, I'm good.
Appreciate y'all.
Hey, I'm the biggest.
Nah.
You the little baby Jane.
Nah. You're not even Janks no more. You're not part of the company. Appreciate y'all watching to the end. Give me a pound right quick. Right there, you feel me? Appreciate you watching to the end. You feel me? Y'all seen MP5. Dawg. I'm telling you right now, I'm finna run that bitch again, you feel me? And if it's still doing the same shit, then I'ma complain. But I'm still gonna fix my shit, you feel me? I fix my own guns, you feel me? But I'm still gonna complain. Like, I know I ain't just pay for no lemon. I know I ain't just pay for that, bro. Even though it jammed like a few times, bro. Like 3-4 times, bro. Like, Inconsistent, weird shit. Whole casing stuck in the gun, a fucking shell casing. And that was the reason I didn't get the Kuna. Cause I seen that shit happen with the Kuna. I'm like, oh hell nah. Like, what the fuck, boy? That's life or death. Now that shit happening in my MP. That's why you on A, man. I carry Glocks, man. I carry reliable, man. Stop playing, man. Stop playing with Glock. Like, I don't care what you got. This Glock ain't gonna stop, you feel me? At least mine. I don't know about what y'all be doing, but this Glock ain't gonna stop. Type shit, you feel me? But yeah, man. Gotta get MP5 running. MP finna be running. Y'all know what the fuck going on. If you really tapped in, tuned in, MP finna be running, man. Stop playing, man. MP finna be running. MP5, you feel me? That shit really don't matter because we changing out the lower and all that shit, but we gonna get that bitch running, you feel me? Yeah, man. Successful range day, man. Appreciate y'all clicking the video. It's your boy Glocks and Tank Top. Hit that like and subscribe. Nah, you ain't slick, bro. How you gonna watch to the end on hit? Come on, bro. Hit that like and subscribe. And I'm gone, family love.
Bitch, we having choppers with the 30s on them bitch. Bet this bitch hurt when it hit. Bet this bitch knocking off some tissue. And he gon' run.